Let's make Bún Riêu, Vietnamese crab, pork, and tomato vermicelli noodle soup. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes.
So I remove my pork bones. I'm gonna set it aside. Now I'm gonna make my meatballs.
Next, season the broth with some chicken bouillon, chicken broth, rock sugar, and some fish sauce. Next, cook your vermicelli rice noodles. Follow the instructions on the packet.
First, I'm gonna blend my rehydrated shrimp. There. Next, I'm gonna put in my ground pork. Next, my crab meat. Crab paste with soybean oil. There's different kinds. You can use like this kind too if you want. So I'm gonna reserve some of the oil. We're gonna use this to saute the onions and the tomato later. So let's set this aside. And I have 3 eggs here. This is gonna help bind everything together. Peeled and deveined shrimp. Add that in.
We're looking for a paste like this.
I'm only using 2 tomatoes because I'm making a small pot. It's just my wife and I. So I'm gonna cut the tomatoes into wedges. Now we're gonna saute it. Now we're gonna use the oil from this jar right here. Get the color. Pour that in. And next, some garlic. Some minced shallots. Give it a stir. Next, let's introduce our tomatoes. I'm gonna saute these. Give this a stir. Just gonna hit it with a little dash of salt, the black pepper. Shut off the heat and let it rest. You can make it into little meatballs or you can just make it in big chunks. So I'm gonna just be very generous since it's just my wife and I. Throw that in there. So I'm gonna do medium low because I don't want the meatball to float around too much. Too much it's gonna break. I'm just putting that in. The vibration is gonna break the meatball apart. So you wanna bring the heat down to medium low. Drop that in. And now I'm gonna add in my fried tofu. And lastly, my tomatoes. Gonna put that back in. Let this cook for 2 or 3 minutes and we're done, ready to eat.
Lastly, season and adjust to taste with fish sauce and shrimp paste to your likings. Mambruk. Wow, look at that. Look how beautiful and vibrant that is. Top this with some veggies and herbs. I'll list it in the description.
I like a lot of mambruk in mine. The shrimp paste. I just love the flavor of the mambruk. People shy away from it because it has a strong smell, but I like it. Look at the tomato hanging on to the vermicelli noodle. Tofu just soaks all the juice. Joe is the pork crab meatball. This meatball is made with crab and the juice just soaks into there, the tomato pork broth. Look good, the broth is just hanging onto the noodle. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this channel, you can support me by hitting that subscribe button. I also food vlog in SoCal and do home cooked recipes. Wow, look at that. Come on, follow for more.